Oh, hey, what's going on? Vlog life number 2? Second video, bro. It's our second video on vlog life, dude. How do you feel about that? Oh, yeah. I'm glad, man. I'm glad.
What's up?
He likes it. Let's go make a $30 boat and see which one can float better across the James. Thinking. Literally just like.
You're gonna drown. Can you swim?
Uh-oh, here we go. Oh yeah, I can still get in this. It's a little uncomfy, but like
Sail across the 7 seas.
and this one's only $8.
You got 20 bucks left.
Saving some money, dude. I don't think it's gonna float. What if I spray it with Flex Seal? I kinda only spent $30, right? And I'm building a boat. You know the James River? Yeah. Alright, I'm building a boat with this and some buckets and stuff, trying to float across. So basically what I'm gonna do is get inside of this, right? And I'm gonna have buckets around the side to help it float. You think that might work maybe a little bit?
I can't give you my opinion on that, though. If your job wants to set up a guy at Home Depot, so I can do this.
No, I'm not, no.
Buckets.
You get it.
I need plastic wrap, wire, duct tape.
What we got going on?
Alright, so wire, check 1. It's for the frame of the boat, 10 bucks, so 1/3 of the way there.
I got some duct tape. He also got some duct tape.
I got duct tape and some
There's duct tape.
The plastic wrap.
They don't got what I need.
Yeah, maybe it's way up at the top. That's what I was thinking. It's probably up there. I was pretty sure it's like at the top. Is that it?
It looks like it. Wait, how much is this?
Like $2.
I got another 2 free stickies.
I hate being short.
29.29, man.
Duct tape, buckets. He's got some stuff that who even knows if his gonna work. Mine might actually work. His probably won't. We'll find out. My boat, guys, as you see, he's working on his big plastic thing.
Alrighty guys, well I'm all done. Now it's time to head out to the river and see what happens.
Hey there, we made it. As y'all see, look at the river. It's really high today. It's actually moving really fast. This is very dangerous. Don't try this at home. You like my boat? My boat, here's his boat. We got the boat squad. Little Uzi boat. I gotta pee, dude. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. It looks like I get to pick, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say I'm gonna go first. Then I'm gonna let you go because you're gonna get soaked. Compared to me, probably. You know what I mean?
I feel like we're both gonna get drenched.
All right, well, I'm not looking forward to this. Yeah, wait, yes I am. Yes I am. Here's my paddle, guys. As you see, I got a nice paddle. What I'm thinking about doing with this is like halving it, you know? You know what I mean?
Right, chop.
If I bend it in half, I feel like I might actually get a half decent paddle. Let's see how buoyant this thing is first of all. I mean, it's floating. It's gonna float me in it. Probably not. Holy it's cold, dude. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Falling apart already.
A paddle. It's deep. Oh!
Grab your boat. All right, second attempt, third attempt.
Upside down.
Your bucket's coming up.
I'm doing it! I'm doing it! Does this count?
No, you gotta get across the river. You're coming back in stream.
Alright. Well, I suck at building boats. Right there. Deep. You know what making me think? Climb this tree, make a little jump. Okay, I tried it twice. Regular side. And yeah.
All right.
Your turn.
Other than all the airbags deflating by the time we got here. Let's go! Woo! Hey,
Dude.
it floats. I win.
All right.
Oh my God, no way. No way this is actually gonna work better than mine. Holy.
No, I'm gonna, as soon as I get in, I'm gonna go in the water. Go.
Holy crap.
It's so cool!
Go, 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 go. You lost your paddle, bro. Bro.
It's so cool! It's so cool!
Bro, what's happening?
I think I win!
How is that? You're not even floating!
Yeah. Oh, it's so deep!
I told you. Hey, don't lose your boat. Don't lose your boat. You gotta go get your boat. Man, paddle real quick. Thank you. What you done? You lost your boat. I got your paddle.
So, technically mine floated and I stayed in it.
Oh, spider on my shirt.
Oh, nice.
Look at this, guys. See this little guy? Can you see him? Right here. Hey, buddy. Hey, let us know in the comments who you think won. Like he said.
I think I won because, I mean, I stayed in my boat longer while floating.
But I think I won because my boat actually floated. Mine actually floated. His was underneath. I was able to stay on top. Even when I flipped it. I did it 3 times. It was a 3-use boat. Your boat was 1 use. It's down there. Boat's right there. Yeah, he's gonna go pick it up and make sure he disposes of the trash.
Don't forget to check out our merch site. Stay tuned for every video because we're coming up with new stuff every week.
Oh yeah, guys, so we're gonna be vlogging more often. We hope you like this little $30 boat challenge. Like he said, let us know in the comments who you think won. If you think I won, then say Steve won. If you think Gilbert won, then say G won. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave comments on what you want to see next as well. Subscribe, smash that like button. And till next time, we'll have more crazy vlog videos for y'all. Peace.